Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Millionaires. I'm Brian. I'm Brian here with your daily XRP news update. And today we're talking about what could be the most bullish turning point in XRP's history. August 2025 just gave us one of the biggest headlines yet. After 5 long years, the SEC has officially closed its case against Ripple, reclassifying XRP as a commodity under the Clarity Act. This game-changing regulatory clarity is already triggering a wave of institutional investment. In the past 72 hours alone, over 320 million XRP tokens worth about $1 billion have been snapped up by big players. And it doesn't stop there. Ripple's on-demand liquidity solution just surpassed $1.3 trillion in processed cross-border payments, and ETF inflows have added another $1.2 billion to the table. XRP's price is now trading near $2.95, but analysts see major bullish patterns pointing toward a potential breakout. Technical indicators project a 220% rally, putting $10 within reach before the year ends. Meanwhile, the CME's XRP futures market has exploded, with a record $1 billion in open interest and $9 billion in daily volume, signaling real confidence from institutional traders. With XRP ETFs awaiting approval and Ripple deepening its banking partnerships, big capital could keep pouring in. The legal overhang is finally gone. U.S. exchanges are relisting XRP, and Wall Street is waking up to the potential of this digital asset. Now is a critical moment for XRP and the broader crypto market. Are you ready for what could be the next major rally? If you found this update helpful, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to Crypto Millionaires, share this video with your friends, and turn on notifications so you never miss another XRP news drop. I'm Brian, that's it for a game at the team. I'm Brian. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.